And we are in the middle of a tornado. It's the animal. Ow! Hell everywhere. It's going crazy. It demolishes my car. It looks like it's raining golf balls out here. I don't know what's going on. I was at the gas station getting gas, and thank God I'm close to home. Ah! This is some animal weather right here. There's a tornado in Eureka right now. I don't know what's going on. Everybody be safe out there. Animal out! It's still raining golf balls. Thank God I got some shelter. Holy crap. Yo! What is going on? Oh my God! Mama, I love you! Yo! Ow! This junk is crazy right now. Everybody please be safe out there. Get some shelter and be safe. There's hail everywhere. Big tornado coming. Get some shelter. I'm about. Holy crap. It's calming down a little bit, but it's still happening, guys. It's crazy. Bunch of hail everywhere. There's no way I am going to work today. My boss has got to deal with me not going to work. There ain't no way I'm going to work. It's like little golf ball babies. Ah! Ah! I got some babies. Oh my God, I'm soaked. What are you doing in a thunderstorm, lady? Oh my God, crazy people, man. Dude, all of the hail. Like, look at the fields behind my house. They're smoking. Holy crap. There's hail everywhere. The size of golf balls. That's hail. This sounds crazy. And all for getting some ice cream and filling up my gas tank. This junk happens when I'm riding down the road. Dude, there ain't no way I'm going to work. There's freaking golf balls all in my yard. I mean, there ain't no way. I'm never gonna have to pay for another golf ball in my life. I mean, look at these things. I've never seen hail before in my life. At least this big. And now, it's just wanting to be sunny. Like, what the freak? Like, nothing ever happened. That junk was crazy. My mama, I'm gonna have to call her and tell her my car is dented up. Like, what the heck? My mom's gonna be mad because I'm out here making YouTube content, trying to make a YouTube comeback. So is my girlfriend. But hey, I love them to death. Whew. My boy Eli, he just called me. I mean, what the heck is going on here? Dude, that is the coolest crap I've ever seen in my life, though. Raining golf balls and a bunch of fog. And my boss is like, hey, come to work. And I'm like, yo, how about no? You know? I mean, I was going to go work out before work, but heck no, I'm not doing that no more. I'm not going outside, messing up my car. No. All right, well, if anything else comes up, I'll keep you updated. All right, Animal out. Look, I don't know if my mom saw all this because she works in Wilson and I'm in all the way in Eureka, you know. But hey, I got proof. A big container full of hail, straight from heaven, you know. Who knew hail would fall from heaven, you know? This junk's crazy. Like, there's little rocks of ice everywhere. And there's tree branches everywhere on the roads. Look, here comes a truck probably. Look, the school bus. What the heck is the school bus doing out here? Are you coming to pick me up from school? Hey, amigos. They don't know what's happening. My yard is gonna be flooded from all this hail. And it took out my neighbor's thing. Like the drains. What? Here comes Johnny. What is Johnny doing? What is Johnny doing? What?
Have you heard from Christy?
No, I ain't heard from my mama.
Huh?
I ain't heard from my mama.
There's a tornado in Wilson.
There is a tornado in Wilson.
Yep.
Oh, crap. I'm gonna have to call my mama. Look, I got some hail.
Damn, Bubba.
That's crazy, ain't it?
Hell yeah.
Dude, I was at the gas station when this happened.
Really?
Yes, and I drove home, my car got pelted with some hail.
Bad?
Yeah, bad.
Got any dents in it?
I think so.
You want to call Brooks?
I know I'm gonna have to call Brooks.
Brooks fixing to call him.
Look, what in the world? Did you know this was gonna happen? I can't hardly tell. There's so much.
What?
I don't even know.
There's one right there.
Yep. That joint's crazy. And now it looks beautiful outside.
Have you heard from Christy?
No, I ain't heard from her.
Huh?
I ain't heard from her. I'm about to call her. What you about to do?
They were going to carry Mama to the eye doctor in Wilson. And they called Mama, said not to come. They said there's a bad touchdown in Wilson, but they didn't say where at.
Well, I'm about to call my mama, see if she all right. Hey, you take it easy, Johnny. Hey, you gotta love Johnny. Johnny's just a nice guy. And there's still cars running up and down the roads for no reason. What's their problem, you know? It's crazy. Like, I'm about to put these in the freezer. Show my mama if she alright. I gotta call her and see if she alright first. But hey, I got some hail, so I can show my kids one day that it hailed all day long. Well, not all day long. It just happened for a... There's a squirrel. Oh my gosh, though. Hey, and I was just trying to make this YouTube comeback. What perfect content than a bunch of hail falling from the sky? You know? Bunch of little golf balls. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna call my mom and see if she alright. Legit everywhere. The fog is finally gone, and then my yard is flooded. I got my rain boots on, you know. But I mean, holy crap, look at all that hail. Oh my god! It tore my freaking shutters. Bruh, and my windows are cracked. Oh my god. Dude, look at... Holy crap. My windows are... Well, they're not shattered, but they're cracked. Holy crap. Dude, look at all that hell. Dude. Thank y'all for watching this video. I need y'all to go follow my social media over here and like and subscribe. And I'm out.